Hello and welcome. This is Rupi and I'm glad to see you here. So today we're going to talk about how to make extra dollars from your business. Now, if you new to my channel, please make sure you give me a like, make sure you put your notifications on and subscribe if you would like to see more of this type of content. So I'm looking at two cameras at the moment, so I hope we're all good. But if you don't know who I am, my name's Rupi Donzenac and I am an affiliate marketer and I help people like yourselves to make money online, okay? So let's talk about how to make those extra dollars from your business. Now, I'm talking about mostly affiliate marketing, okay? So what is that? We'll just clarify that first. That is promoting other people's products or services for a commission. You are not doing the selling, you are just promoting something, and you will get a commission from that company or the people providing that service, okay? So what do we need to do? We actually need to use some automation. When we're in business, we use automation to help us out because, you know, while you're busy doing other things, you need that automation in the background to help you to continue doing, you know, the things that what I call the income producing activities in your business, and the other stuff can be going on in the background in automation. And what I mean by that is, for example, you know, you have a link tree. So I'm talking about a link tree. It's like got lots of buttons there. So people click on a link and it takes them to this link tree, which has lots of buttons on there. And people can then go and choose, you know, what would they like to see more of. So maybe they want to join a course, or maybe they want to see a product or buy a product. So they click on that link. I want to buy such and such. Click on it and it will take them to the website to give more information or where they can actually go and purchase that product, okay? So that's what I'm talking about. The other thing is also email marketing. Email marketing is really important because you can have those emails scheduled in and that can then go off, okay? When you're busy, maybe like myself, doing a video right now, you might be doing a video or you might be performing. I don't know if you're an artist maybe. And while you're doing that, then your emails are going off automatically. Okay, that's the automation part. Now, currently I am promoting a course. You can check my links below. The course is a proven system and it shows you step by step how to actually do all that. Your automation, setting up your link trees, and it's dead easy. Honestly, you just follow the videos. Now, there's a couple of ways to go. So if you're not sure which would be suitable for you and you really want to learn, then I recommend that you book a call. It's free, and find out which is the best way for you to go, because there's two choices and not everything suits everybody. You know, it's best to have it suited to you. So book a call and someone will talk to you to, you know, explain what is available and see where you're at and where you want to go, so that, you know, we can help you choose the right way and the right pathway for you. Okay. So let's talk about reverse engineering, because that is part also of, you know, making those extra dollars from your business. Now, what I'm talking about is learning to analyze and research, you know, products or campaigns and strategies that people are using so that you can replicate it or improve on it in your niche, okay? So the first step would be to actually look at successful campaigns or significant sales that people are having in your particular niche that you've chosen, okay? Go check that out and research it, see what's out there. Check out and analyze, you know, the competitors' websites, see the design they're using, the content they're using, maybe the call to action button that they're using. You know, check all that out and see, you know, how you could improve on that, make it your own, replicate it, but, you know, make it your own, okay? The other thing is to look for products that are commonly used in your niche, all right? Maybe if you're an artist, or say like myself right now, I'm recording, it could be the camera I'm using, or it could be the microphone I'm using. What company is providing that for me, I can become an affiliate to, because that's something I use, and I can recommend it because I, you know, have used it, and I can say, yes, it works really well for me. So this is what I would recommend for your use as well. And if that person is looking at it and they decide that, oh yes, that I like that idea, that looks like a good camera, so they'll go to the link, you know, that you provide, that will take them to see more information about the camera or the video or the microphone that I'm using, and then they can check it out a bit more and decide, well, yeah, I think that would work for me too, and they can go and click the link and go and purchase it. And that's how that works. So look at the things that you use in your business. What can you be an affiliate for? There are so many things you probably have in your business that you could be making some commissions on. So go check it out. Look also at so the products that are most commonly used in your niche is really important to look at. What are the reviews and what are the key benefits and features of that product that's going to help the person that is going to purchase it, because that's what people want to know. That's what the audience or the customer wants to know. Well, how's it going to help me? What are the benefits? What are the features of it? How am I going to use it? Is it easy to use, for example? That's something that I would want to know. If it's easy to use, then great. I'm all for simplicity. So, that's the sort of thing you're looking for. Now, look at the social media as well. See how the keywords that are used, the SEO, for example, and also look at the call to actions and the type of content, and also look at the audience that's engaging on the social media on that. Okay, see, because that's the type of audience that you'll want in your niche. So go and check that out. And basically, that's basically it. So what you need to do is to actually use all of that and then, apply your uniqueness, or as I say, your authenticity around all of that. Anyway, that's basically it in a crux. So I hope that was useful, and I hope that sort of gave you some insight for you to start looking, at some of those things and do your own research, see how you can improve on it, put your brand on it, because you can only be you. And if you need some help, please feel free to reach out. Go check out my links. As I said, I'm an affiliate, so there are some affiliate links there. The choice is yours, but go and check out the information. And if you like this type of content, make sure you give me a like, a subscribe, put your notifications on so you can watch more of this. And thank you for listening today. Catch you next time. Bye for now.